What's up, my people? Yeah. Today we are going to learn something very big. We are going to learn, to your surprise, it's going to be free. No one is going to pay me for anything you are learning today. You see, this is a tiger jail. Yeah. I want to teach you one trick about this jail. I want to tell you something that if you have this jail, if you have this kind of jail and it starts having a fault, you don't need to take it to a mechanic who will be charging you any money for repairs and all that. You do it right in front of your home, and you're not paying anybody. Don't pay me. I do not ask you to pay me. Just watch till the end and you will learn how to, by yourself, do the things you need to do. Those things that mechanic collects money from you, you do it in your own, and that is it. So play along with me as I teach you some of the tricks about a generator. One love.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? Emmanuel, are you telling me?
He shot you.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it. You are a failure. You can never make it. You can never. You know you cannot make it.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Say that in your court.
I don't cut him. I don't cut.
Hello, how come? You dey shop?
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria
You
is
dey
not?
shop? I don't know wetin carry me go the tiger jail.
He shot you.
Don't lose and finish between no gree. Couple again. Who is the cause? You don't cut that thing back.
I don't cut him. I'm seeing
Carry the I then mechanic.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth?
We go tiger jail.
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Okay, just drop. Your brother, I will come. This thing don't show you. I will come.
The earlier every one of you realize it, the better it will be for us. That Nigeria is.
You are a failure. You are a failure. You can never make it.